Imagine your child. Ambitious. Intelligent. Curious. Creative. Playful. Dynamic. Tetchy. A leader. Moral. Spiritual. Mount Literacy School is not just a technology-enabled school. It is much more than a school. It has child at the center. It develops every child with an extraordinary framework. Design around the child. It incorporates the best international pedagogies and provide a schooling experience that helps each child reach his/her true self. The curriculum incorporates higher order thinking skills, multiple intelligence, technology, and multimedia. Connected to learning resources online. Facilitating laboratory for science. Information technology. Languages. Library. And ones that motivate students for the value and habits that will bring them opportunities for transformational leadership. Mount Literacy School. Great school. Great future.
Hello everyone, I'm Anand Verma, Director of Mount Literacy School. I'm happy for choosing Mount Literacy School as it caters the need of students of nearby areas so as to provide them quality education which will help them to become the leaders of tomorrow. Children are born with infinite possibilities. We know that they are natural learners. It is our duty to nurture these natural traits. At Mount Literacy School, we have always believed that education is the key to unlock the unique, infinite potential within each child. So let us together take the step forward to lead our children to peak of success. Thank you and have a good day.
Hello everyone. We at Mount Literacy School Bhaniawala believe in developing the happy milestones in the lives of our students by focusing on 6 E's, that is, enlightenment through academics, empowerment through technology, enrichment through creative and performing arts, excellence in sports, environmental consciousness, and empathy towards mankind. All of these help our students to blossom into a good, happy, and responsible citizens of tomorrow. We at MLZS incorporates best international pedagogies and provide a schooling experience that help each child to reach his or her true potential. We have a team of dedicated and well qualified teachers who believe in harnessing the curiosity, creativity, and aesthetic potential of each and every child. We provide vast playground to all the students in the field of sports, be it cricket, football, volleyball, basketball. We also provide facilities in the field of art, music, drama, etc., and other co-curricular activities also. Our mantra is WRFC, that is what is right for the child. That is, we keep every child at the center of everything. Our mission is to develop leaders of 21st century. This whole campus is under CCTV surveillance and we provide safe, healthy and hygienic environment to all the students. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm very proud to be the coordinator of a school which is built today with tomorrow in mind. We strongly believe that every child is unique, so is their learning. Teaching learning process at Mount Litra G School Bhaniawala is a student-centered, project-based and incorporates the multiple intelligence concept. Here, we provide our students with a variety of experiences both inside and outside of classroom. And we encourage students to develop talents and interests in academics, sports, music and dance, for which facilities are outstanding. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Nidhi Kala. I am a PRT teacher and proud to be associated with Mount Litra Z School. Ours is a unique school. We focus on all-round development of a child. We nurture their potential and give wings to their imagination. Thank you.
Z School is a great school. We inspire our students to become really what they want to be. And we have a great future, a great potential.
Here in Mount Litra, we have a very full furnished computer lab. We have sufficient computers for the children so that every child gets a computer. We also have a DCP program in our school so that we can teach our children how to become a good digital citizen of our country.
Hello everybody, myself is Richa Sharma. I'm taking junior classes here. Okay, and we are very happy to be associated with Mount Litra Z School because it's really a unique school, and our motto is to impart good knowledge as well as the good morals value to the students. And everybody is having a different potential, different abilities. So we believe the learning by doing is based on activities. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Usha Bhatt here, feeling great in Mount Litra. Here I am teaching as a junior teacher and we mainly focus on activities. Children learn by activities a lot and our motto is learning by doing.
Hi everyone, I Simranpreet, designated as English teacher. I'm a very proud part of this institute, that is Mount Litra Z School Bhaniawala. I believe we work as friends, guides and teachers with them. We believe that we nurture their potential and give imagination to their wings. We as a part of this institute can make a lot of difference and that can be felt in our coming generation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shivani. I'm taking care of Health and Wellness Club in the school. We are here to take good care of our students. In our school, we have Health and Wellness Club. Here we impart how to live and stay healthy.
Hello everyone, I'm Garima, designated as English teacher. Here we are imparting quality education. We emphasize on activity-based learning and each individual is unique here. Here in MLZS, we focus on all-round development of children. Being a member of MLZS, I feel proud to be a member of this prestigious institution. Here, we focus on nurturing each child and bring his great potential out of him.
Hello, I am Mukesh Karnwal, designated as a science teacher. Works to guide every individual students to take out from them new innovative ideas to develop scientific aptitude in our scholars. Also, we are the part of anti-ragging and anti-violence committee formed by our MLZS school to aware each and every student about the goods and bads of social evils. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am a Mount Litarian. I got recognized in this school 3 years back. My parents believe that this school has completely changed my personality. In this school we have many types of activities like sports activities, curricular activities. For example, cricket competition, football competition and many more. And I want to say that this is the best school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Diksha and I am proud to be a Mount Litarian. My parents think that this school has changed my personality completely. They think that my personality has improved in the last 3 years. I have joined the school in 2014 and have participated in many extracurricular activities. There are many activities in a school, be it of sports and of debate competitions, etc. I am happy to be a student of Mount Literacy School. Thank you.
Mount Literacy School. Great school. Great future.